In this video, I'm going to talk about how can you send a location on WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to send a location in WhatsApp, you just simply have to any of your maps or location application. In my case, I'm opening Google Maps into my device. Let me find Google Maps at very first and then just simply select any of the location which you would like to share. Now I'm selecting this location and into here you will get to see this option of share. Just simply tap the share option and then it will give you a lot of options, and here you can see WhatsApp if you have installed it. Just simply tap into WhatsApp and then you will get so many options to share this location link. I'm selecting myself and sending it. And as you can see here, after tapping to the send button, I can very easily send or share the location through WhatsApp. You can also do this into your device. I hope this video helped you. If yes, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Thank you for watching this video.